Hi friends, I am your Mahiji. Today's topic is DC motor value and how its processing and uses. This project for toys and motors. You can promote your child become a scientist in future like me. And this is my certificates I get from science in my school's projects. And these are our auxiliaries, battery and wings. And this is our four wings like table fan. And this is our fan in our home, and this is two wings for helicopter we will use. This also for helicopter. For easily we can connect for batteries and other connectors we can use this battery holder, and this is 9 volt HW battery. This is my screwdriver for removing the DC motor. Let's start. This is my collection of DC motors, various types. More materials are there. I take only some materials. This is my gear motor. We will check what is inside in this. This one gear motor we will rarely use in cars. I am taking this gear and now removing this one. If you are having any doubt, comment side you can comment it. I will confirmly do. Hi friends. Friends, now I remove the screw. Screw will be like this. Now opening the gear. Let's see what is inside this. Wow friends, this is the gear we have been using gear motor. Now I am taking this out. Like this components will be come here. Let's see sir. This is, and now I am opening again. Now I am closing again this gear, motors and gear. Some friends will say this is gear motor, and some other friends will say that this is bow motor. This one we can purchase in many places like our nearby places in home sites or in Amazon, like that online websites. Now I am going to connect this. I am going to see. Now first we should directly we cannot connect the DC motor to gear motor, because here the gear will not set in this. We should use like this some gears. I am going to use this one gear. Now I am putting this one inside, and now I am connecting. Friends, now I connected this one. Now I am putting this one inside the battery. Friends, after this I will explain. Friends, I will put tire and directly I will show and clearly. If we see. Now I connected this one, friends. It's working. This gear motor is very fast. Now I am going to explain about the DC motor. Now I remove the gear. And this is a DC motor for small projects we will use, like car and many projects in school, robot, like that we will do. Now I will do this one and show. After that, what is inside, how it's processing and how it's working, I will tell. Now I am putting this one. Friends, it's very fastly it's coming. Air is blowing. Now next one is this fan. This is my second fan, that which is slow. It is looking like our fan in home. Now I am putting this one. It will run very fast. I seen before. It will, when you are using this one, you should use carefully. It was very safety. Oh, earth is coming. It's passing. Oh, connecting last one. After that we will see. See, this one is more wet. It's running very slow. Now I am going to open this. What is inside? We will see now. Let's see. This is our DC motor we will use in many projects. Now this is MBB. This one is we will use to give battery power directly. This one already it will be fixed. This one removed means the current will not go in this one. And this is the connect. This is a material like copper, and we take on this it will become like this. And in this more types are there. For round motor it will be like that, and flat motor like that, like this. And this one connect in, this two will connect in this place, and this is the wire inside it. Here more copper wire are there, is for that one it is working very fast. You can change this copper wire and then it will run fast. And you can put like capacitor like this, then it will run fast. And this is our permanent magnet is there, it will clutch very fast. This is a permanent magnet. And now I'm fixing this one again. I fixed it, later I will fix. This is a vibration motor. Here put capacitor, will run very fast. Our friends, anyone having doubt about the capacitor or this one, anything in doubt means please ask in comment section. I will confirm get the answer. Now this is my solar motor I get in my before project kit. This one will run. This one we cannot open because it was fully attached. And this and this motor and another motor I saw here, and this motor is very powerful for me. This motor, this one is very powerful. I use many projects. This one you can make drone. In the copper wire it will be some copper wire will be less, the motor will run less. That will be very, this is very thin, that is very big. After taking copper wire it will look like this. Without copper wire it cannot run. And this is my gear connected with gear motor. And this one I make in my project here, drill machine. This one looking like this. What is inside we will see. See friends, this is like this round motor. This one we will call as round motor, and it is very big. You can change the combi in this. Now this is also permanent magnet. These are brushed motors. You can see now. I will run and show it how it's functioning. See friends, it's running. You can encourage your child buying like these kits, and they will become in future small scientists like me. Like this it will be there. This copper wire you put means it will get more power and it will run. You should put it around 30 times and it will run very faster. This is all our brushed motors. I collected this many and in my room it is more. If you are like the channel, please like and share to your friends. And if you are getting any doubt, comment it in comment section. You like the channel, please subscribe.